Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet some little buttons. So let's get started. To make these buttons, I'm going to work with a very small hook, which is a 3mm crochet hook. And I have some worsted weight yarn. I'm going to start with chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch to form a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 2. 1, 2. Make 12 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have made 12 double crochet in my ring, and at the end of the row I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet. So you have all your 12 double crochet in the ring. Now if you turn this over, if you want to close the center hole, you can pull that yarn end and close up the hole. Thread the yarn end into a needle and just take several stitches there to secure it so that the hole will stay closed. Now fasten off with a long yarn end. I live in a country where we no longer use pennies, so I can use a penny in the center of my button. Or you could use any color button, or you could cut circles out of plastic and use that. Or you could just stuff your center of your button with some filling. So I'm going to use my pennies. So I've threaded my long yarn end into a needle, and I'm just going to weave all the way around the outside of my stitches. And then I'm going to pull to close up that button, and there's how it looks from the other side. So on this side now I'm just going to sew this closed. And I'm just going to place a crochet hook on the back of the button. And now I'm just going to pass through several times here. And that will form a loop for sewing the button onto your garment. I'm going to weave my yarn end into the finished work. And there's the finished button. And there you have a finished button. Now on this one and in this one, I just sewed a bead in the center hole, and these two I will leave plain. And this one I did exactly the same, except I used a 4.5mm crochet hook. And there you go. There are some very easy crochet buttons that you can make.